Hello friends. Welcome to our channel Psychonomia. Today we will discuss about a rarest personality trait. It has been said in reports that only 2% people of whole population on this globe possess this type of rare personality. So let's dive deep into these characteristics and know more about this unique personality. This type of personality is called as INFJ: introversion, intuition, feeling, and judgment. So let's learn about 13 facts of this mystic personality type. 1. Different frequency. INFJs tend to feel like misunderstood way too often due to the fact that most other individuals are on a different frequency than they are. Their supreme function is intuition. They subconsciously notice patterns in everything. Intuition is an individual's pre-installed ability to subconsciously understand something without knowing how or why they know it. Since intuition works subconsciously, it can be described as a sort of psychic ability. However, INFJs often get misunderstood by others as they are unable to explain this to other people, which often leads them feeling lonely and isolated. 2. Perfectionist and often procrastinate. People with this personality strives for perfection to surpass the normal capabilities of other regular individuals. They often deal with a constant fear of failure. This means that INFJs procrastinate a lot because their mind is searching for absolute perfection in most areas of their life. Comparatively, they can do a lot better, which they are afraid of without even trying so hard. With that being said, INFJs have a hard time dealing with criticism and sometimes miss out on positive observation as well. However, as they become more mature, they find it easier to realize that they can allow themselves to make more mistakes or focus on their self-confidence to achieve remarkable results. 3. Care for value beauty and quality. INFJs are looking for beauty and quality in everything they encounter. They always intend to be enveloped by sophistication and beauty. They are especially attracted towards high-quality food, expensive clothes, and anything which is unique. Against their nature, they always focus on sophisticated items as beauty is a very inspiring and calming force to them. Typically minimalistic by nature, their approach is to have few nice things around them rather than having lots of ordinary ones. 4. Charming and attractive. INFJs are such charming people that it's common that strangers find themselves comfortable telling their personal secrets, dreams, and biggest fears. People who have this type of traits have a magnetic aura which makes others feel very friendly around them, even if they don't know them personally. Everyone loves their company, and no one wants to leave them at any cost. They are trustworthy and charming individuals, but they are also great listeners who can easily comfort anyone as they put themselves in their situation and respond accordingly. 5. Highly perceptive of others. INFJs are usually good readers as they can understand emotional states of others and motivate them. They themselves are difficult to understand, and that can be difficult when you are trying to understand that person. INFJs generally use their intuition to dive deep below the surface of another individual's mind. They find themselves amazed with how other people's minds work and figuring out what makes them unique in their own way. They can often feel when somebody is being a liar to them or even if they are lying to themselves. 6. Absorb other people's emotions. It's a common phenomenon for INFJs to grasp emotions of others and reflect them as their own feelings. If somebody else around them is excited, they will often get excited as well. If someone is stressed out, they may feel worried and anxious too. Sometimes knowing feelings of others can be overwhelming. 7. Create deep emotional intimacy. They are mostly reserved and shy in the presence of people they don't know. They are often looked as mysterious or introverts. But in fact, it can just take a little bit of time for them to open to others and show what they truly are. INFJs crave for authentic connections and looking for connecting people on a deeper level. And because of their ability to emphasize, they believe in having strong emotional bonds with the people they trust. 8. True introverted nature. Although INFJs comes handy to socialize, they are introverted individuals. They know how to easily blend into social structure, but they may also feel totally at peace with a small circle of friends whom they can trust. Like most introverts, INFJs usually get overwhelmed and exhausted in large social settings or parties. Even though they have ability to survive in these social gatherings, they also need their me time to relax and recharge their energy. 9. Sensitive to conflict. INFJ personality find hard to deal with conflicts, resulting in stress and frustration. They strive to maintain good relationships with their friends and family, and they rely on their inner circle to maintain the harmony of their relationship. Whenever there is a conflict, it can physically disrupt their constant optimistic nature. They will find difficulties in sleeping or concentrating when they are thinking about a conflict. It can even stress out their bodies to the point where they get muscle aches, headaches, stomach pains, or other unwanted problems. Of course, this does not mean that people with this personality can't handle conflict, but over time, INFJs learn to set healthy boundaries for conflicts. 10. Focused for future. INFJs will often do anything they can to move themselves closer to their personal goals. Willpower is a very important trait of this personality type. For example, if they are in a relationship that seems to be going nowhere, or they are employed somewhere they don't like or don't see a future in, they will break off the relationship or quit their job. Furthermore, INFJs are also critical of past circumstances, and they tend to remember the bad experiences. To avoid the negative feelings, they typically prefer to live a life focusing on the future. 11. Gravitate toward people who need help. An INFJ have ability to see the good in other people. However, they often fall victim as they believe they can rescue others. Due to their ability to help and heal others, they often find themselves attracted toward people who need help. This can be rewarding, but if boundaries get crossed, the results can be very stressful or frustrating. 12. Intellectual thinker. INFJs usually give a thought about purpose of their life, meaning, and what are the ingredients that are making them what they are. Because of their love for learning new things and further expansion, to have better understanding of world, they love music, reading and philosophical or spiritual content. This is an extremely positive characteristic, but it also provides challenges in enjoying simple things such as watching a movie. INFJs often have a difficult time relaxing or doing regular daily tasks without overthinking. 13. Gifted in language. INFJs typically spend their alone time with their personal hobbies. They are more over writing than speaking, because writing is an outlet that allows them to express their creative thoughts or ideas without as many barriers. Conversation can easily fall short or become negative when talking about such opinionated matters, so they avoid talking a lot unless it's necessary. Writing provides them a sense of relaxation and peacefulness, because there you have wider range to comprehend your thought. So what is your score out of 13? How many traits are in you? Let us know in comments below. Hit the like button if you are one on them. If you want to know more fascinating secrets of human psychology, do subscribe our channel and don't forget to push the notification bell.